Hello everyone, Chris from Dentless Touch here. And if you've been following my channel, you understand that Sunday is a day I get to talk about building a PDR business. We'll discuss topics like marketing, financing, customer relations, even any type of business development. Today I want to talk to you about what we charge for the damage that you see in my videos. Stay tuned. As much as I don't want to bring it up, I think it's important to give you guys the best information possible to help you succeed. Pricing can be a touchy subject as most companies don't want to share their exact numbers about pricing on their website because we want to convince our potential customers of the value of the service that we provide. Simply giving a number doesn't express the awesomeness, did say awesomeness, of the service and quality that we can deliver. But we as either business owners or salesmen can elaborate upon benefits our services provide, which can be well worth every penny. But the truth is, price does matter. So here at Dentless Touch, we charge $150 for one dent, up to about a 1-inch diameter, with additional $50 for every inch after that. So for example, 3-inch dent will total about $250. Now, when we start examining some of the larger, more complex repairs, the price can climb relatively quickly due to the amount of work that needs to be done. Anything over 6 or 7 inches, we take into account how long it's going to take a 3 to 4 year technician to repair. I will elaborate once I head over to the examples. There could be many contributing factors when it comes to estimating dent costs. Types of metal, depth, location, and anything needed to remove to access the affected overall area. That's what we use to estimate, the damage on your vehicle. Now let's get into the fun part. I'll go ahead and show you some pictures of some damages and give you a breakdown on price.
So this is the CRZ I did about a month ago. Dent is obviously in the quarter panel. It's about an 8-inch dent when you completely measure this out. I didn't look back at what I charged the customer, but if I am looking at it and I get a picture like this, I'm going to give them a range of probably $500 to $700 for this repair. The reason why is I probably have to, again, I think on the video I spoke about this, I'm going to probably attempt to take the rear bumper and gain access through the taillight once I take that rear bumper off and stuff. What ended up happening on this repair, I had to R&I a lot of all the interior panels on that one side and towards the trunk area. So that was a lot of time spent there. I believe the dent actually worked out to be about $525. Now there was an additional charge for removing all those interior panels, and I believe that was $125. Now this particular customer, if I remember correctly, she got a quote at the body shop for around $900 to $1,000, and they had to paint the bumper, the quarter panel, and the door. So that's a lot of paint on your vehicle, and so we were able to save her at least about $300. So to elaborate on why I use my best judgment based on a 3 to 4 year tech, is pretty much that's the average tech that you'll probably see out there. We want to keep our hourly range profitable. We are a business, so if it's going to take our 3 to 4 year tech to repair this for about 4 to 5 hours, and that's actually working, guys. A lot of these dealerships may charge a 5-hour repair for a window replacement or a window regulator replacement, and they're done in 2. So for us, we're actually on it for 5 hours, and then we pretty much trying to charge accordingly, roughly around about $125 an hour. There's another damage that I repaired. You can check back and look at the video of this. This is a 2017 4Runner. And again, I'm not going to pull the invoice. I don't know exactly what I charged the customer. But if someone sent me a picture of this damage, the first thing I'm going to do, try to assess, the length of the damage. I actually thought that dent will pop out, and it really didn't. So I would probably quote that one between $475 and probably like $550. When I wasn't able to pull it with glue, it drove the price up just a little bit, and I believe with all the R&Is and everything, it was somewhere around $680 for everything. So this is the most recent repair, I believe, if you're seeing my videos in order. This is a dent in the rail. It's a glue pull only. Now, this particular customer got several dents fixed in his vehicle, not just that one. So I think we gave him a pretty good discount, and I believe we just charge him as a package. We charge him about $150 for this dent. It's about a 3-inch dent. But if he would have not repaired all the dents at the same time, this dent will probably be somewhere around the $175 to $200 range. It's not a bad dent, so we tend to discount it a little bit. So if it was a little deeper, we would probably charge a little more because it just requires a lot more skill and a lot more time. This repair took us roughly about 45 minutes to an hour. So if I'm running at a 125 an hour, I was pretty much on the money. To put things in perspective, guys, here in Washington, D.C., the going rate at the Toyota dealership is $145 an hour. Most of the mechanical shops start at $95 to about $105 anywhere you go. So,
all right, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, maybe what your company charges, but here in the DC area, I pretty much laid it out for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to follow me on social media, Instagram preferably, it's at dentlesstouch.com. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.